A body weighs 72 Newton on the surface of the earth. What is the gravitational force on it at a height equal to the half of the radius of the earth? So we can see now gravitational force at a height mgh equal to, so gravitational on the earth, acceleration due to gravity on earth, into h by r is equal to 72 by, so actually this is the body weights on the earth surface, so this is the body weights on earth surface 72 by 1 plus at the height is how much, half of the radius of the earth, half of the radius of the earth, that's why r by 2, that is r, capital R, because radius of the earth. Then if you solve this one, we will get it mgh, so weight on object, weight of the object at certain height is 32 Newton. So we can also write this is 32 Newton at certain height. So that is the answer. If you like this content, do like, share and subscribe to Student the Brand. Thank you.